Smartphones are undoubtedly one of the most useful devices of the 21st century. But one critical area smartphone makers haven't given top priority is battery life. You know the feeling when you don't have the luxury of constant power supply and you are always reminded that you have 10% battery life remaining. When it comes to mobile phone, power means battery life. And as innovation in mobile technology increases, battery life has been one key feature smartphone users look out when making a buying decision. So let's not wait here. In this video, we'll be giving you 8 essential tips that will help you to save your phone's battery charge. Let's check this out. So the number one is power saving mode. For this, you need to go to settings, then battery. You have to toggle on the power saving mode option. If your phone supports ultra power saving mode, you can also turn it on. So the number two is restrict background data. For this, you need to go to settings, then wireless and network, then go to mobile data, go to data saver, turn on the data saver. Number three is auto update off. Need to go to Play Store, then settings, then you have to turn off the auto update apps. You have to click don't auto update apps. Number four is location service off. For this, you need to go settings, then security and privacy, location services, turn off the location service off. Number five, screen timeout. You have to minimize the screen timeout. Go to the settings, display. In the sleep section, you have to give the minimum second that you have in your phone. Number six, animated wallpaper. You shouldn't use any kind of animated wallpaper. It will reduce your phone's battery charge at a huge amount. Number 7 is brightness. It should be as low as possible. Number 8 is GPS. You should only turn this on whenever you need it.